Some people are wearing suits every day but still broke, while others are doing handwork and still have money more than those people working in the office. So the thing is that the society have taught us to look down on people doing handwork, but those people are making actual money. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you 6 handwork or skill that pays very well even when they look dirty. You might look at them as dirty work, but these skills are actually paying money. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Precious, and on this channel I share business ideas, business growth tips, personal development, and how to make money in general. So if this sounds like something you would love, just hit on that subscribe button right now and do also like this video. Okay, it's totally free of charge, and if you have any question you can just put it in the comment section. All right, so let's quickly start. The first handwork I'm going to talk about is hairdressing. You need to see, this hairdressing is something I've done. In fact, while in school, my university days, I was making hair in the hostel and I was making few change, but it's not even like that. I'm talking of as of 2018 time, but now hairdressing is a big deal. Like you all know the amount hairdressers charge, especially when you know what you're doing. I have a friend now, she has a big shop, she has workers, and she just started with me then in school, but along the line I stopped and she kept on doing it. She was consistent. Now people know her. People, there's no time that she's not booked. So if hairdressing is something that you have passion for, you should actually consider it. You might not know, but they actually earn a lot of money, especially during December, Christmas time, during season. Okay, during all this seasonal period, they usually make money. Imagine them charging you 20k for one hair, and sometimes they make more than one hair in a day. You can imagine, most of us going to work, we don't even make that amount of money. So the next handwork I'm going to talk about is electrical work. All these electricians, you might not know, but they are actually making money. And one thing that is making them highly sought out for is the fact that they are not everywhere. Most people are running from this handwork, but they're actually paying, because most of us look at them, they are not tools, they are not sophisticated, so we tend to run away from them, but they're actually making money. Just imagine the numbers of houses that is being built every single year. When they finish building the house, they need electricians to actually wire their house. They need electricians to actually work on those houses. From daily repairs in houses, these people are making. There's one electrician on my street, you can even hardly see him around because he's always busy, and he's the only one on this street. I think there are just 2 on this street. Whenever we have issues with our lights, we're always looking for them. Most of the times they are not around. So this electrical work is one skill that is highly sought out for, and also is paying low key. The next handwork I'm going to talk about is plumbing handwork. This one, most of you will not say ew, but plumbing is actually giving people money. And most times people are looking for plumbers. I even have a friend that is abroad, but he's building house in Port Harcourt. He has been looking for plumbers, so he decided to ask me if I have any plumber. This handwork I'm giving you are things that people actually need, and they are looking for people every day to fix it. Okay, so if you're looking for a handwork that actually pay you and is not really everywhere, you can go for plumbing. So the next dirty business I'm going to talk about is fashion designing. Most of us look down on fashion designers, but they are not small. Oh, it's no longer called sewing again, it's called fashion designer. Fashion designers are not small people at all. Imagine making one dress for 30k, 35k. Most fashion designers even charge 50k and above. I have a friend doing her masters in the UK now. She's a fashion designer. She actually went to fashion designing school. Yeah, she's a big fashion designer. She's a big girl. So fashion designing is one business. It might actually look dirty, but it's actually paying people. So the next handwork I'm going to talk about is carpentry. You see all those people doing carpentry, furniture, they are actually making money. So if you're looking for a handwork to learn that will make you money, you can try carpentry business. All right, these people that are making chair for us, if you know how much they actually charge, even for one seat, even for one small stool right now. Okay, so carpentry is another handwork that is actually making money. So if you're looking for a handwork that you will learn this year, I would advise you to look at furniture making. I have clients that are into furniture making that work with me, and they actually pay well. These people, in fact, they are young boys, and you will see them spending money. You think they are doing Yahoo, but no, it's not Yahoo, it's furniture making. Why this handwork I'm giving you is very important, because few people actually want to learn this handwork. this particular handwork I'm giving you are things that people actually need almost all the time, right? And there are few people that actually want to do these dirty handworks now. Creative, you can venture into things like this, they're actually very lucrative. And the last dirty handwork I want to talk about is makeup artistry. Makeup artistry, that's makeup artists. Most of you think they are not making money. Most of you think it's not just to do makeup, but these people are actually cashing out. Imagine going for bridal, even if you're just getting one wedding in a week, and they are paying you 50k in a week, like one wedding in a week, and they are paying, even if you're just into bridal makeup and they are paying you 50k in a week for one wedding, just guess how much you're going to be making. 200k in a month, and you can still use from Monday till Friday to do something else. Even if you're working, you can learn makeup as a side hustle, right? So makeup artists, they are one people that are actually making it. It might look dirty, but they're actually making money. So if you actually like any of this handwork and you're going to learn it, or you have any of these skills and you want to start up a business, I have a book on the right step for you to take to starting up a business, knowing the business that actually suits you, how to grow this business, and when you actually grow this business, how can you manage it, how can you handle it to make it look professional. So I'll be leaving my link in the description so that you can get the PDF, read it to know more about business. And I also have a course on how you can advertise yourself, make sales by tweaking the psychology of people and getting them to buy from you. So I'm also going to leave my link in the description of this video. I'm sure you like this video and you've learned something new today, right? Okay, subscribe to this channel. If you have any friend that looking for skill to learn, you can send this video to that person, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.